Picture this. It's an ordinary day. The sun rises, bathing everything in warmth and light. Imagine, however, that this morning is different. In an instant, the sun simply vanishes, leaving only darkness behind. What happens next in this surreal scenario? Today, we're diving into the hypothetical world of a sunless Earth, examining how our planet and the solar system would react in the immediate aftermath and beyond. First things first, let's consider the immediate effects. Interestingly, the absence of the sun wouldn't be felt instantly. It takes light from the sun about 8 minutes to reach Earth. So, for 8 precious minutes, life would continue as normal. However, after those minutes, darkness would envelop the planet suddenly and entirely. Once the sunlight ceases, it's not just the light we need to worry about. Perhaps the most dramatic effect would be the loss of gravity from the sun. You see, the sun's gravitational pull is what keeps our planet orbiting in its nearly circular path. Without it, Earth and the other planets would drift away into space. Earth would continue moving in a straight line, no longer bound to its solar orbit. As moments turn to hours and days, the impact on life becomes increasingly stark. The sun is our primary source of heat. Without it, Earth's surface temperature would begin to plummet. Within a week, the average global temperature would fall below freezing. Not long after, the oceans would start to freeze from the top. Yet, life in the oceans might persist a bit longer. Deep beneath the ice, marine life could survive for some time due to geothermal heat from Earth's core. In just a year, conditions on Earth would be drastically different. The atmosphere would likely collapse and freeze into solid form. The Earth's surface would be as cold as the deepest parts of outer space, uninhabitable for all known forms of life. All plant life, reliant on photosynthesis, would die. Without plants, herbivores would starve, followed by the predators that depend on them for food. Earth's ecosystem, as we know it, would cease to exist. As for human survival, the outlook is grim, but not entirely hopeless. In theory, some humans might survive for a while in powered environments. Underground bunkers or habitats near geothermal vents could offer some protection from the cold. Advanced technology would be crucial. Artificial light and genetically modified food might help sustain life for a limited time. But it's important to remember, this scenario is purely hypothetical. The sun is not going anywhere anytime soon. It has a life expectancy of about 5 billion more years. However, our hypothetical exploration does highlight a significant truth: how deeply reliant we are on the sun. The sun is not just a light bulb in the sky, it's the heartbeat of our solar system, providing everything from heat and light to gravitational stability. It fuels the photosynthesis that is the foundation of our food chain, drives our weather systems, and defines the cycles of day and night that shape our biological rhythms. In contemplating this hypothetical disappearance, we realize just how much we take the sun for granted, and how integral it is to life as we know it. So, let this serve as a reminder to appreciate our sun, the magnificent star at the center of our existence. As we conclude our journey through this thought experiment, we pose a question to you, our curious viewers. Have we become too dependent on the sun for our survival? Or is there a way humanity could learn to thrive even in its absence? Consider this paradox, and keep exploring the wonders of our universe. Until next time, stay curious and keep reaching for the stars.